Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be on how I do makeup when I wear Indian wear or traditional wear. So before getting started, do subscribe to my channel. So firstly, I use the M.A.C Prep Plus Prime. So I don't use the primer creams. I use the prime spray, which is more suitable for my skin because the creams are like kind of flaky for my skin. And you need to dab it till it like absorbs. Next I use a foundation of the brand Maybelline in the shade 230 Natural Buff. Next I apply a powder for setting the foundation. Next I'm doing my brows. I'm filling my brows with a brow powder. Next I'll be applying eyeshadow from the brand Faces Canada, the Ultimate Pro. I'll be taking this brown shade. Next I'll be applying the eyeliner. Blush. Next I'll be applying an highlighter which is also from the Faces brand. And the final touch is the lipstick, which is from Color Bar, and the number is 79 Pretty Please. Well, I'm done, and this is the final look. Hope you all liked my traditional look and would give it a try whenever you go for a traditional or Indian wear. Hope you liked my video. Do subscribe and thanks for watching.